Okay, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make over this low budget house. Okay, to make it more perfect for the basic shape and the some several facet element. Okay, first of all we have to move and duplicate it first to the another side. Okay, before we make over it. Okay, and first of all we can just with the simple thing about the basic shape and exterior element of this simple house or low budget house. Maybe we can just delete this terrace area, so then we can just move push it down, and then we can make the another component. We can just select it and move and press control. Okay, we can adjust it anyway to look more modern of it. So then we can also move and duplicate it into another position, so it would be look more modernism, and for a privacy purpose of the on the front of the window of the room anyway. Okay, so then we can make this box, and we can also make the another landscape element. Okay, sorry, we can delete it first. We can also make the landscape element to make it more livable. Okay, to filter the dust from the outdoor area anyway, so we can make the landscape area over there. Then we can make the curve with the 2-point arc over there. So, okay, just like this. We can make sure it will appear magenta color. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then we can push it up just a little bit and just a little bit offset it inside, maybe something like this, and then we can select landscaping and place on this position, and then we can make it group anyway. So then we can make the another landscape element. Sorry, we can make the another landscape element on the another position. We can overstack it, and then we can move it, draw the rectangle over there. We can place on this, so then we can draw the 2-point arc, and then we can make sure to appear magenta color of the curve line, and then we can push it, offset it inside. Then we can select landscape element, make group, and same with the another side. Okay, and after that maybe we can just add more wall element over there with this. We can make the more wall element in this position, so we can triple click and scale it down, and then we can push it to the front and make it group anyway, or maybe we can just make sure it on the same level at the top of the another wall anyway. Okay, and after that we can also make the another landscape element. We can use this, and then we can draw it, and then we can make it group anyway. So then we can assign the material of it. Maybe we can just assign with the material, and we can assign with another color. Maybe we can use the gray color over anyway. Can use the gray color over there, so then we can make the more dark color in this, or just white color only, and then we can make the roof element. We can make the roof element over there. We can place on this, and we can place on this, so then we can adjust the roof color with the RGB, and then we can set the brightness on the color wheel. Okay, we can set the dark or brightness anyway, and then we can make the glass material of it. Okay, we can use it. So, and it's almost done. Then we can set the another color. can set another color of it. Maybe we can use this material. Okay, so then we can make another component. We can use it, and we can move and duplicate it and place on this position of it. So, and then we can select a class, and we can just select this translucent dark green, so it would look better for house building. And anyway, we can just select the wood material of this door, so it would look better than before. Or maybe we can just add another landscape on this position. Okay, or maybe we can just move it and push it up to make a longer roof, and or maybe we can just offset it inside to make another surface of the ceiling of the roof. Okay, you can use this, and it's done anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it would be a lot of benefit to all of you, and I'm sorry it's getting left. We can set the landscaping with this material, and okay, anyway, it's just enough. We can set the shade too anyway. Okay, it's just for example anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. We can add more canopy over there, so it would look more representative. We can assign with another material. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and I hope it and wait for my next video. Thank you.